Hello, I've got a bit of a smudge right there. It's still smudgy. This sucks. And now I'm smudgy. This is great. This is a great intro. Hello. So by the time I've done this intro, I've already done everything. This is literally me saying this from the future. So I'm out trying to breathe fresh air, because honestly this lockdown has been driving me insane. But just doing some Kendama, because I've not done a lot of with this in terms of flippage, and I want to learn a few more things. So this is me learning a few more things and walking and enjoying nature, only for a little bit because it rained. Enjoy. I guess that counts. Oh, there we go, there we go. Don't I look... yeah. Do I look pretty? Yeah.
Oh. No!
I'm getting it so close as well.
I'm trying to zoom in when you do it the second time, so every time you do it the second time I zoom in.
Well, it's up to you, you're the camera.
3, go. Bloody hell.
Ah, no! I didn't get that! That's it. That's all that I've got today. If you enjoyed, clonk that like button. If you like this video, subscribe if you want to do watch more of my content, and if you want to get notified for the next one, a notification button. It's easy, and then you'll be signed up to watch more of my chillax videos, which I'm running out of ideas. So give me an idea in the comment section below, and I might run that idea through. But in the meantime, I'm gonna just put this on. I achieved it. I am now complete. What makes you complete? I'm bad at outros.